what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St.Albert Dodge, and what I got right behind me here is this beautiful metallic black 2019 Ram 1500 Sport Night Edition. This thing is locked and loaded with lots of options, but before we get there, we gotta see what powers this thing. A 5.7 liter Hemi iconic best engine on the market engine, all right? 8-speed automatic transmission, folks. And wherever you guys see the yellow, that's where you guys kind of do your thing. You top up, you fill, and you know, the rest you leave up to the amazing mechanics in the back there. So I'm gonna close this up here, just like that, and you got rock and rolling. You got your nice daytime running lights as well as your LED lights. Amazing black front aggressive grille. You got the sport hood on there as well as the front facing camera as well as the sensors, fog light, this thing, and we haven't gotten to the nitty gritty of it yet, and just the front there is nice aggressiveness. Blacked out wheels with the Bridgestone tires, which is phenomenal. Blind spot monitoring detector system with kind of like a nice little mirror there for your trailer as well. Power running boards, which is phenomenal. Crew cab, big crew cab, tints in the back. We move on to the back here, folks. You got your class 4, because you can go to 1 to 4, class 4 hitch receiver, black twin dual exhaust, backup camera, backup sensors. And then I mentioned this was a night edition, so you're gonna get all the black badge and all blacked out, get you rock and rolling, as well as a sprayed in bed liner in here as well. But let's hop on in the inside and see what we're working with. Meet you there. What's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St.Albert Dodge. Just hopped in the inside of the 2019 Ram 1500 Sport Night Edition, by the way. This thing is locked and loaded with options to the brim, I tell you. First and foremost, this thing is locked and loaded with leather on leather on leather on leather on leather, even in the back, full gem leather, which is a lot of cows used for this truck, I can tell you that. But you got the power seats, you got the lumbar on here. 4-way lumbar, which is pretty neat to get you rock and rolling, get you nice and comfortable seated. You got your power windows, you got your power locks, and you got your power folding mirrors with the push of a button. Tuck those bad boys right in. Get you nice tight in those parking spots or stalls or garage spot. You got your automatic lights, you got your adjustable pedals, so instead of bringing the vehicle towards you looking like this, you just sit back, relax, and allow the pedals to come to you, as well as the steering wheel as well, which you can bring up like that or like that, which is pretty cool. Lock that in there. Leather wrapped, heated, by the way, and this thing is locked in with a lot of options like the cruise control and the adaptive cruise control. You got your gear limit that can change between the gears, so if you're towing something you need to be in a lower gear and a higher gear, you don't have to worry about it automatically doing so. You got your cluster dash navigation where you can go up, down, left, right, and have it on a page that you like. It goes 1 to 9 as well, which is pretty neat. Once your phone is connected via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you're able to answer and end phone calls right from the push of a button and use the voice command right there. On the back of the steering wheel, of course, you got the volume up, and you got the left. You can change between the channels on the left side there, and kind of do your thing to help practice safe driving, which has your hands on the vehicle at all time. Push button start. Of course, you got your 4-wheel auto, 4-wheel high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive. I like to set it in the set it and forget it mode, so you don't have to think about it, you have to worry about it. You just put it right there, and it automatically adjusts based on the road condition. So if it's dry pavement out there, it'll do the 2-wheel drive. If it's snowing outside or raining, it'll kick in that 4, boom, boom, split it. Or if you just wanted to manually do it with the push of a button, boom, I'm already in 4 high, just like that. 2 high, boom, just like that. Gets you rock and roll, which is pretty neat. Shift knob right there, big, massive 12-inch screen, almost looking like an iPad screen right there, which is pretty cool. You got your AM, FM, Sirius XM, all right here with the touch of a finger. And you got your map, so you can access it while being on the radio screen, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Climate control, which you got your heated and ventilated seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, all with at a touch of a finger. You can deploy the side steps with the push of a button there. Push them back in, access the backup camera and the surround view camera right here, which you can do while driving forward. Or if you want to see what's hooked on there, zoom in. Okay, the trailer is looking good. Don't have to worry about it. Don't have to pull over to the side. Surround view as well, which you can access the front camera and kind of angle it a bit more, which is pretty cool. You got your climate control, the dual right here, so you can go up, down, left, right. The passenger can be cool, I can be hot, and kind of sync it if you like to the driver, have all the same, or kind of operate it from the side right here. So you still have that button, you still have that screen. You can either or use them to your advantage, which is pretty cool. Of course, you got your navigation. So if you didn't want to use your, you know, Google Maps or Apple CarPlay, you can use the navigation right from the phone, right from the screen right here, which is pretty neat. You got your phone once connected to the display on here, and just a nice little button to access the backup camera at any point in time. You move along as well. You got your mute. You got your screen off if it's a little bit too bright in those backwoods or those dark roads. You got your trailer braking control. You got your traction control, tow, front and back park sensors as well. Your CD player already jammed right in here. So if you got some old CDs, bust them out, play your tunes instead of having to worry about connecting it through Bluetooth or connecting to the radio, listening to that all the time. Bump some, CDs. But if you don't have CDs, you got some USBs, you got some USB Type C as well as an aux cord right at the bottom there. You can pop your phone just in these slots, which is pretty cool. You got 115-volt charger just below here with tons. Look how far deep my hand goes. Tons of space all down here, as well as here. So you can just move that up and down and adjust it the way that you see best fits for yourself. You open this up, boom. First one, you got another USB in here. Put some more knick-knack paddock wax in there. As well as down here, you can put some more storage down there as well if you like. And you got some more storage powered by Harman Kardon stereo system. So you're going to be locked and loaded, getting the best sound quality you absolutely can while busting your tunes and enjoying the ride as well. And with something that only has about 33,000 kilometers on it for 2019, you are in a great position. All right, you got the panoramic sunroof, of course. So open it up, utilize it year round. Do what I do, utilize it year round, and don't let the cold fool you. Don't let it scare you. Let the wind blow through your hair and just enjoy it, all right? Close it up there. You got your power back window as well. So if you needed that, get you rocking and rolling. And a cool feature that not a lot of people know about this. So if you go into settings, all right? So if you go into safety and driving assist and you go into blind spot alert, one thing you can do is adjust the blind spot to your trailer. So if your trailer is 12 meters, 10 meters, 8 meters, you can have it as maximum of 12, or you can do auto, and the blind spot will automatically detect how big your trailer is and use it accordingly. So if someone is in your blind spot next to your trailer, that blind spot will indicate it so you're not, ramming into them or anything like that. But folks, there's lots to know and learn about this vehicle right here. So text or call me to book an appointment, or come on down, come see your boy Ralph Joseph, and I absolutely look forward to it. Okay.